Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Singularity Future Technology Limited. Now I specifically remember this stock because I have already made a video on this in the month of January 2022, and the reason is very simple. The stock is at the verge of a big breakout, and the breakout will have probably happen after 12 or 14 years, and this is the importance of this breakout, because if it's happening after 12 or 14 years, the potential is there. It means it's going to be a start of a new trend. But the problem is, I saw that there are hardly a 30 or 40 views. So the problem is, people will wait for another one. So generally we do not see interest. you know when any and every stock started moving, and if you see your neighbor started making money, then uh, you know the bell will rung and you will think, oh, he is making or she is making money, why shouldn't I be? So this kind of thing always there, and this is a very basic natural human phenomena that's been happening in the last 200 or 300 years. So the thing is, you need to be a bit observant. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. And do check out my previous video on Singularity Future Technology. The stock has indeed moved quite sharply from the lows, and more specifically, I have made videos 2 months back. So the stock has nearly doubled from that position. So right now, what do we have here? We have $9.5, which we may consider as our strict stop loss on the downside, or we will wait for this stock to surpass 14.88. Now 14.88 is the level which is very important, because this is your big resistance as well as the next target on the upside. Beyond 14.88, or let's say 14.9, it will be a trend breakout after 14 years, and this is going to be a big one. This is going to be a big event, because people generally don't understand the importance of these moves. These moves leads to a completely new trend, so that's why it's important. So right now you have only two levels to look at, or beg your pardon, only one level to look at, and the second level has already crossed, so you have only one level to look at, and that is 14.86. Now the thing is, what will happen beyond $14.9 is a big question. So for that, we may understand, or we need to understand the previous trends. So as you can see, these are your previous support levels, or as far as the big range is concerned, the range has actually started from the lows of 30 and 39 cents, and it went up to 14.9 or $15 on the upside. So this is indeed a very big move which we are expecting over here. So what will happen right now is going to be like this. Now just it's like mirror imaging. So what you have here, from the middle part of the range, from $3 to $14, the stock has taken 300% worth of move. So I will expect a 300% worth of move, which is my first target after the breakout. Okay, and the first target that I'm going to get over here is $39, and I'll expand this, and now you can see 800% from the lows of 1.66 to the highs of 14.88. So 800%. So my next target will also be an 800% move, and the next target we have here is $86. After that, if I expand it to 1.29, it is saying 1047, so nearly 1000%. So a nearly 1000% worth of move will give me a target of $109 or $110. So I think this will be it for now, but you can see how big the target could probably be once it makes a breakout beyond 14.8, or let's say $15. So do not miss, or do not just left over these kind of stock. At least do an observation and do an analysis on these kind of stocks, because when things look simple, chances are they are simple. So please do not ignore this kind of stock, and if you do not ignore, you need not to pay anything for that. But if the trend works out, I have already shown you what it could probably become once it makes a breakout and started sustaining above 14.88. But for right now, the simple thing to understand here is the stock must not fall below $9.5 on the downside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.